Hi friends, today's practice, we're going to practice the traditional Chinese tapping exercise Qigong called Pai Ba Xu. Pai Ba Xu means we regularly tapping the joint such as armpits, 2 armpits and 2 elbows, 2 groin and back of the knees. This is called the 8 nodes of the body. This area is important, which is the meridian joint, and also easy to lock the energy. So regular tapping this area, we can unblock this energy and help the qi and awaken the vitality and help the qi flow. Okay, let's begin. Start from left side first. Place left hand behind the head. So open your armpits, right hand like a cup, fingers all close together, central palm like a cup. Okay? So your hands like a whip, tap on the armpits. Between 10 to 30 times. So start from light to top up to heavier, but not too heavy. You can feel them. The best time tapping is early morning and before 9 p.m. in the evening. Change side. So your right arm behind the head, left hand like a cup. Armpits is your 极拳大包 point. So regular tap here, we can unblock the liver and gallbladder meridian. So we can help release the irritated, if easy, angry and irritation. So regular tapping, we can help release these emotions. Oh, my hands start to warm up already. So next joint is your elbows. Start from your left side first. Elbow is the joint which is our heart, pericardium and lung meridian light, which run in the arm, the 3 in meridians. Regular tap here, we can boost the lung and also help with the heart circulation. Okay, let's start. Like a whip, your right hand tap the elbow joints. Change your sides. Don't forget your breathing freely. And relax the shoulders. So you can top up until to 30 times each side. Good. Give your arms a shaking, relax. Next is your groin. Your groin. So bend the knees and hip slightly. Groin is the joint linked to our spleen and stomach meridians. So regular tapping here, we can help with internal metabolism, also help the water flow downward easy. Okay, hands from behind, like a whip. Tap your groin. And give your arms, leg a shaking. Going to next is behind of your kneecaps. And the middle behind the kneecaps. This important acupuncture point is called the Wei Zhong point. Regular tap this area, we can help release the back, leg, knee issues. Bend the knees slightly. And also tap back here, we can help unblock the urine blood meridians, to unblock the stagnant energy. Help the qi and the blood flow. And when you finish, give your kneecaps, outside kneecaps, a gentle tap, massaging them. Both sides. And shaking your arm and leg. Chinese, they have Chinese saying, say, 每天抖一抖，活到99. So every day shaking, there will be 99 years longevity. This is a saying. So what's the shaking benefit for? You will see this around China. Morning, evening, or Chinese shaking and tapping in the park. So this, it will help circulation of the joints, especially when you have arthritis. Good. When you finish, so your arm like a whip. Pass it following with your waist. One hand tap your underneath your collarbone. So open lung and heart. One hand tap behind the kidney. Same like belly button. This is the gate vitality, Ming. Looking the gate vitality. Open the lung. When you finish, take a long inhale. Convert the qi returning to original. Exhale. Convert down to lower dantian, lower abdomen. My hands are very warm now. I feel all my body awakening now. Let me know how you feel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next practice.